Frigate birds are found in tropical waters right around the world. With one of the biggest wingspans of any seabird, they soar across the open ocean for weeks on end. Often following mahi and marlin, they are a favourite with offshore anglers. With little human contact, it is possible to walk right up to them on Christmas Island. Well, isn't this amazing? This is a frigate bird, well, a chick really, still sitting there waiting for its parents to bring home the food. And it's probably another side to Christmas Island. It's just awesome. These guys are actually quite unique. The frigate birds, the big black ones that fly around, they actually harass the other birds like your gannets, your boobies and your terns. When they're coming home from feeding, they harass them until they actually regurgitate the food, and that's how this guy gets fed. But behind me here, you can see a totally different one. Although they look the same, this is a gannet, or correctly known over here as a booby. And he actually dives down, he actually earns his food, I suppose you could say. And as you can see on Christmas Island, there ain't a lot of trees for them to nest in, so they make use of everything.
Bye.